Masscan is for scanning enormous address space fast. It can be so fast because it transmits asynchronously. Masscan builds its own lightweight TCP/IP stack, and it sprays SYN packets without waiting for each reply. It matches responses as they arrive, using values that were encoded in the outgoing packets. It's been documented to send as much as millions per second. For that, it has to have the right network adapter and the right driver support. Its default transmission rate, though, is deliberately conservative. And also deliberate is that its command line syntax is a lot like Nmap. So that's what you have to be careful with on the exam, because you can get confused between Masscan and Nmap. So instead, you need to be thinking of the rate flag. You can use output options like JSON or XML, greppable text, or a compact binary format.